Mango is taking his morning swim. You guys are all wet. Are you all wet? Look at this. You are all wet. You took your morning swim. How about Blueberry? Are you drying off? Blueberry likes to take his morning swim in the sink. Yeah, so he had his already. Come on, Mango. Show us how you take your morning swim. Can Mango go swim? Come on. You're drying off now, right? You're drying off. Look at that belly, all wet. Look at you, all wet. You're all wet. Still very handsome. You're flying around so you can dry off. Yeah, are you all dried off already? Yeah, it looks like you're all dry off. How about Mango? Mango wants to swim more? Come on, Blueberry. Oh, Blueberry. Come on. Let's see if Blueberry wants to swim here. He usually likes to swim in the sink area. You want to go? You want to go play? Come on, go play. Yeah, okay, you want to go? You want to go inside? Good boy. Go inside and play. Very good boy. Mango, you want to come? You want to go swim? Very good, Blueberry. You got into the water too. Okay. That's it. Okay, I wasn't able to capture Mango inside that much. But he's inside his cage, drying off. And Blueberry's drying off up here. Okay.